Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn English channel. It is so good to have you here with us today because you are doing something amazing. You are investing in yourself. Learning a language is a superpower, and we are here to help you fly. I'm John.
And I'm Lucy. Today we are talking about how Valentine's Day is celebrated around the world. We will explore a brief history of this date and see how different countries have unique traditions and gifts.
This is a very interesting topic because many people have a real pain when they try to understand international holidays. You might feel overwhelmed because every country is different. This word, overwhelmed, means feeling like you have too much of something and you don't know what to do.
Exactly. You want to talk about these traditions, but maybe you don't know the origins. This word, origins, means the beginning or where something starts. Our goal today is to solve this confusion and give you the words to talk about love and culture anywhere in the world.
This exercise is going to accelerate your learning. Accelerate means to go faster. You don't have to understand every single word today. You just have to stay with us and listen. It is a great way to start thinking in English naturally.
So, John, let's start with a mystery. Why do we even call it Valentine's Day? Who was this guy?
Well, Lucy, it's actually a bit dramatic. Dramatic means full of strong emotion or excitement. A long time ago in Rome, there was a priest named Valentine. The emperor said that soldiers could not get married. He thought single men were better soldiers.
That sounds very strict. Strict means someone who follows rules very closely and is not flexible.
It was, but Valentine was a rebel. A rebel means someone who goes against the rules. He married people in secret. Eventually, he was caught. Legend says that before he died, he wrote a letter and signed it, "From your Valentine."
Wow, so the first Valentine's card was actually a farewell note. Farewell means saying goodbye. That is a bit sad, but also very romantic.
It is. But today, Valentine's Day is much more festive. Festive means happy and full of celebration. It's not just about secret weddings anymore. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. Industry means a particular branch of business or trade.
Yes, the industry of chocolate and flowers. But did you know that not every country celebrates on February 14th, and not every country celebrates it the same way?
Really? Tell me more. I thought everyone just bought bouquets of roses. Bouquets means a bunch of flowers arranged in an attractive way.
Not at all. Let's travel to Japan first. This is one of my favorite traditions. Traditions are customs or beliefs passed from one generation to another. In Japan, on February 14th, the women give chocolate to the men.
Wait, only the women? That sounds like a lot of work for them.
It is. They have different types of chocolate. There's Giri-choco, which means obligation chocolate. Obligation means something you do because you have to, not necessarily because you want to. They give this to coworkers or bosses.
Boss, here is your obligation chocolate. That is so funny. What about the people they actually like?
For them, they have homemade choco. This means true feeling chocolate. It is often handmade. Handmade means made by a person, not a machine. It shows more love.
That is so sweet. But don't the men give anything back?
They do, but they have to wait exactly 1 month. On March 14th, it is White Day. Men have to give gifts to the women who gave them chocolate, and usually the gift should be 2 or 3 times more expensive. Expensive means costing a lot of money.
Okay, I like that rule. A box of chocolate in February and a diamond ring in March? Sign me up.
Slow down, John. Now, let's go to South Korea. They have White Day too, but they have something unique. Unique means being the only one of its kind, very special. They have Black Day on April 14th.
Black Day? That sounds gloomy. Gloomy means dark and sad.
It's for single people. Single means someone who is not married or in a relationship. People who didn't get any gifts on Valentine's Day or White Day go to a restaurant and eat black noodles, called jjajangmyeon. They commiserate together. Commiserate means to feel or express sympathy for someone or something.
I love that. It's like a party for people who are alone. You see, everyone, learning English helps you understand these cultural differences. Cultural means relating to the ideas and habits of a group of people.
Exactly. It makes the world feel smaller and more connected. Connected means joined together or linked. Let's look at Europe. In Wales, they have a very artistic tradition. Artistic means having natural creative skill. They don't give flowers, they give love spoons.
Spoons, like the things I use to eat soup?
Yes, but these are wooden. Wooden means made of wood. They are beautifully carved with symbols. For example, a key symbol means you have the key to my heart. It's very traditional.
I love that. It's much more durable than flowers. Durable means staying in good condition for a long time. Flowers die in a week, but a spoon is forever.
Honey, I love you. Here is a spoon. It sounds funny, but it's very beautiful. Now, what about Denmark?
Oh, Denmark is very playful. Playful means full of fun and games. They have gaekkebrev. These are anonymous poems. Anonymous means the name of the person is not known.
So, you don't know who sent the poem?
No, the sender signs the letter with dots instead of their name. 1 dot for each letter of their name. If the person who receives it guesses the name, they win an Easter egg later in the year.
That is like a puzzle. A puzzle means a game or problem that requires thought to solve. It makes the holiday very interactive. Interactive means involving communication between people.
Now, let's fly to South America. My friends in Brazil told me they don't celebrate in February.
That's right. They celebrate Dia dos Namorados in June. This is because February is usually time for Carnival. Carnival is a big public festival with music and dancing. They have too much energy for Valentine's Day in February.
I can imagine. I can't be romantic right now. I'm dancing. But in June, it's all about cards, dinners, and affection.
It's interesting how geography changes things. Geography means the study of the physical features of the Earth and its atmosphere. In some places, it's summer. In others, it's winter.
Let's go to the Philippines. They do something very massive. Massive means very large and heavy, or on a very big scale. Thousands of couples get married at the same time in mass weddings.
Thousands? At once? That is incredible. Incredible means impossible to believe or very impressive. Imagine the logistics. Logistics means the organization of a complex operation.
The government often sponsors it. Sponsors means to provide money or support for an event. It's a very happy day for the whole country.
You know, John, all these stories make me feel inspired. Inspired means feeling full of new ideas and the desire to do something. It shows that love is a universal language. Universal means existing everywhere or involving everyone.
That is so true, Lucy. And English is the tool that lets us explore these stories. Explore means to travel through an unfamiliar area to learn about it.
Sometimes students feel frustrated because they want to know every word. Frustrated means feeling annoyed or discouraged. But look at us. We are talking about Rome, Japan, Denmark, and Brazil. You are learning concepts. Concepts means general ideas or understandings.
I want to encourage our listeners. Have patience with yourself. Patience means the ability to wait or stay calm when things are difficult. You are doing a great job.
Yes, if you are enjoying this journey, please like this video. It tells us that you want more stories like this. And if you are new, subscribe to the Learn English channel. We want to be part of your daily routine. Routine means a sequence of actions regularly followed.
Let's go back to the hook. Remember we talked about that pain of feeling overwhelmed by how many different traditions there are? The insight is this. Valentine's Day is not just one thing. It is a reflection of people. Reflection means something that shows or expresses the nature of something else.
Whether it's obligation chocolate in Japan, love spoons in Wales, or anonymous poems in Denmark, the essence is the same. Essence means the most important quality of something. It's about connection.
You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to give the most expensive gift. You just have to be a little bit better than yesterday in love and in English.
Let's review our trip. We started in Rome with priest Valentine, the rebel who married people in secret.
Then we went to Japan and South Korea, where they have White Day and Black Day for single people.
We saw the wooden love spoons of Wales and the anonymous poems of Denmark.
We learned that Brazil celebrates in June because of Carnival, and the Philippines has massive weddings.
We also learned some great words like festive, durable, and universal.
We really want to know about you. How do you celebrate Valentine's Day in your country? Or maybe you have a special tradition in your family. Tell us in the comments. We read all of them.
If you want to learn more about world customs, share this video with a friend. It's a great way to practice together.
Thank you so much for staying with us until the end. Your dedication is beautiful.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm John.
This is the Learn English channel. Be kind to yourself, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video.
Goodbye. Stay romantic.